I ain't got no stunners today. Y'all gonna see my eyes. Oh man. I left my stutters. See that? You know. Ah man, now I gotta look at you guys and talk to you guys. Oh, I ain't got no stutters on. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay. So yo, we have an easy dinner today. Very easy dinner today. Hey yo, and our special ingredient here, Chrissy, hold this real quick. Okay, hold it real quick.
This is not sponsored, by the way. Please sponsor us, whoever built this.
Our special ingredient is this. It's like a skillet, okay? And it's a simple dinner with some, you're gonna put some meat on here, and you're gonna see it right now. And it tastes hella good. And we got a special sauce for you guys. It's the sauce. It's the sauce. But you need this, okay? So try it out. And you might like it. Very simple, very fresh. You have to get all the fresh ingredients from the store. Alright? This is what you need. You can get this at Walmart. Okay? You can get this at Walmart and it costs only $20. Go buy one. It's for pancake and bacon. You can use it. Alright? Bye.
Also, new update on myself. I got The Sims 4.
Cause I gotta get